Hello friend, see me again at AAP 2019 All About Value channel. At this moment I will show to you how to solve the problem of Windows screen cannot shift it in crack of midas 2019. Let's start. Open your new model. Make a new material. Click add. Let's go to default of design. Choice of concrete. For example, I choose GES FC13. You want to click OK. Did you see? The Windows screen cannot shift it to the original position again. So we cannot click OK button. How to solve it? You can running a Windows application. Let's see. Let's close the material data plus close. We minimize. I already prepared the application of LT Windows Drive. This application, then we just running it here. An administrator. Already finished. The application already installed. Let's try again in midas. Choice material properties. Add concrete. I choose the GES version FC13. Tidak bisa. You see, the Windows screen can shift it at top, bottom, left to right. So you can finish to execution it with apply. Okay. Go to section. So to solve the problem of midas screen crack of Windows 2019, you can use the ALT midas Windows Drive application. Okay, thank you for watching. See you for the next tutorial of midas 2019. Thanks very much.